would be helpful. So I will take up one question. You can unmute and speak to me, okay? So who has the question? Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Swapnil from this side, ma'am.
Yeah, Swapnil.
Ma'am, B.Pharm bachelor student can go for RA, ma'am, and industry will hire these students, ma'am.
Which? No, I didn't get your question properly, Swapnil. Can you repeat, please?
Ma'am, I did my bachelor's in pharmacy, ma'am. Can I go for RA?
Yeah, with the certification and with the knowledge about the subject, you can go. Many freshers are taken at the junior level in RA.
Okay.
Many
But
like
certification is mandatory, na?
yeah. Because in college, we don't get to learn. Na? Even I have studied from Bombay College of Pharmacy. It was.
Okay.
Can you guys please switch on videos? I would like to take the picture of this session. Can you please keep your video on for
And
few
there is a
seconds?
question.
Yeah, of course, we'll take the question also. While talking also, I can take the picture.
Regulatory affairs काय
Yes.
त्यानं खिडक्या गेट धरलं काय हा ते धरला होता आपण खिडक्या गेट बॉल तर झालं
हॅलो
किती द्यायचं त्याला आता
स्वप्नील कोणाबरोबर बोलतोय अनम्यूट करून बोल
सॉरी मॅम सॉरी
So
Hello,
you can speak, but just I want to take one picture. I can't see the faces apart from one or two like Bansari, Mahesh, and who is this 844244? आपका नाम क्या था? Unmute and speak.
Arvindo Rath.
हाँ. So those who have not given the name on the your account, it shows as 1 plus AC1 or number or something like that. But never mind. We will take up the question. So if you want to keep your video on, that will be great to interact with you guys. It is always better to see each other, maintain eye contact and talk to each other, right? Yeah. So, Swapnil, can you repeat your question if you have another question? I have answered the
Hello.
first question, right?
Hello.
Yes. You want to speak, Priyanka?
Hello, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, we are hearing you. Hello. But आगे भी तो बढ़ो. गाड़ी
Hello, ma'am. Lakshman, I have one question, ma'am.
Yeah. What
Hello.
is your question? Yeah.
मैम मैं लास्ट 1.5 ईयर से सुवेन लाइफ साइंस में क्यू एंड रेगुलेटरी में जॉब कर रहा है सर मैम.
Okay.
सो उधर क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस के बारे में सिखाते हैं, रेगुलेटरी के बारे में कुछ नहीं सिखाते. तो उधर हमको डेजिग्नेशन में दिया है कि तुमको सब सिखाएंगे करके 1 ईयर में, लेकिन अभी तक तो कुछ सिखाया नहीं. मॉड्यूल के बारे में, इसके ऐसा बारे में, ECTD ऐसा कुछ नहीं सिखाया.
क्यों नहीं सिखाया पता है? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हमेशा डर लगता है कि ये सीख के भाग जाएंगे.
नहीं मैम, सीखने का नहीं, लेकिन हमारा कंपनी डिस्कवरी है, NC कंपाउंड है, तो रेगुलेटरी उन्होंने तो हायर किया है बॉडी को, उनको ही देते मॉड्यूल्स वगैरह सब फाइलिंग.
अच्छा, तो जहाँ बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फिडेंशियल डेटा हैंडल करना होता है और जहाँ पर आपको नॉलेज नहीं जूनियर लेवल को, वहाँ ये दिक्कत आती है. बट हैविंग सेड दिस, आपको दूसरे किसी ने रोका है क्या? यू कैन टेक द नॉलेज फ्रॉम एनी अदर इंस्टीट्यूट ना.
हाँ, तो इसलिए मैंने आज मैम आपका कोर्स बॉम्बे कॉलेज से मेरे फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने आपका रेफरेंस दिया मैडम.
People come to us and do the courses, and these courses are not very highly very costly. The highest cost of 6 months course is 25,000. बाकी के 10,000 5,000. शॉर्ट कोर्सेज भी है 3,500 के वगैरह. अगर
हाँ मैम,
आपको
लेकिन
आगे बढ़ना है जिंदगी में,
ऑनलाइन ही कोर्स कर सकते मैम, ऑफलाइन नहीं कर सकते।
ऑनलाइन ही है हमारे कोर्सेज, all courses are online. You can log in anywhere from the globe. We have students from across the globe.
ओके
So
मैम, आपका
anytime from
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
anywhere. बोलो।
हाँ मैडम, आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिस ऐसा इंटरव्यू कॉल्स वगैरह वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं मैम आपकी तरफ से आफ्टर कंप्लीशन
इंटरव्यू
ऑफ कोर्स है?
नहीं, हमारे यहाँ ना we provide all the guidance plus as I said all the lectures. Okay, you have to spend time and listen to those lectures. It's
ओके मैम।
not that कि हर दिन हम जो 100 लोग कांटेक्ट करते हैं 100 लोग एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, right? So we have
यस
the
मैम।
ready-made platform, okay, so that they can listen to that lecture on our LMS platform. We have learning management system on which all the courses are uploaded, okay, and people can get the advantage. They can log in from anywhere in the globe. It is Android friendly. You can log in from your mobile, laptop, or anywhere, desktop, and you can learn. Only internet चाहिए.
ओके
Internet
मैम।
is must. Okay.
ओके मैम।
So, any other question?
थैंक यू मैम।
Welcome. एक मिनट. Chat box में कुछ है क्या मैंने? हाँ.
My name is Hari, working in regulatory affairs. So I have one doubt. Means for any product now in India, if you want to apply for any manufacturing license, so the general requirement is 6 months stability is required for the drug product, and generally regulators are taking 3 months for the drug substance. So actually this I'm unable to find the guideline regarding this one. So can you tell the reference guideline for this? Because in DNC Act, means when I checked the DNC Act, so nowhere I found this statement like 3 months is enough for a drug substance to file the application.
Normally, 6 months accelerated is mandatory everywhere. Okay, normally it is an industry practice. So when there is no guidance, the industry practices to be followed. Okay, ICH guidelines has to be followed. So always take the reference from ICH guidelines. So ICH Q1 talks about the stability guidelines. So you have to refer to ICH guidelines. So
Okay,
while
ma'am.
claiming also, you can put that sentence, we have followed ICH guidelines, Q1, whatever R1, R2, R3, and we are submitting the data. So that would be justification in your case.
Okay. As per ICH Q1, 3 months is enough, ma'am. 3 months for while filing.
That you have to see.
Okay.
That you have to open the guidelines and see. For drug substance, for drug product, there are different guidelines. So that is why when you learn with us under the course, it is explained everything. And all the case studies are given.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure.
How to compile DMF, CP, ASMF, in different.
But as per Indian guideline, nowhere they mentioned, ma'am. Okay, I will refer ICH guideline.
Drug and Cosmetic Act, you have to refer. Rules you have to refer, and along with that, ICH guidelines. Okay. Over and above industry practices.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes nothing is written in black and white, but industry follows.
Yes. Correct. Yes.
Years and years industry exists. Years and years product exists.
Correct.
Right? Whether you take Prosin, paracetamol, whether you take Lipitor, right, atorvastatin, whether you take amlodipine, whichever product, right, years and years, they are proven to be safe. And the years and years, they must have submitted the data to health authority. Correct?
Correct. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, suppose the CPK, when we are CPK is not meeting the criteria, supposed to say it may be a 0.68, below 0.68 or below 1.33, whoever is taking the which criteria. So if not meeting, then how to handle that situation?
I don't know which product you are talking, which country you are talking. We have to really
Yeah,
study that.
it is US,
Yeah,
US
so
only.
under US guidelines, what it says, any 21 CFR is given or any other guidance is followed by US for particular product, you know, if the product is oncology or anti
It
CNS or whatever.
normal solid oral drug
So
products.
such kind of question, these are technical question for which this is not the forum, I would
Yeah,
say, okay? Because this is typical question from your product. It's
yeah,
not a generic question for which we have gathered today,
yeah,
correct? This is a free
yeah,
webinar, correct?
yeah.
So stick to the question which are relevant to your career, your job, and if you
That I
need
will,
any
that I
further
will,
guidances,
that I will take guidance from you directly
yeah,
on the
yeah,
course. Yeah.
correct. Any
Thank
other
you.
question? Yeah, anyone else? So
Ma'am,
I'm not
hello.
available here for consulting that you can just very well understand. Though I am a consultant auditor and trainer. So this session is for what? Free webinar on navigating RA, right? Yeah. Can I know what question asked in fresher interview? So that is what I told you to go through the lecture which is already delivered, different types of question, how successfully you have to answer, you have to maintain eye contact, and what kind of question if it comes, then how difficult questions to be answered. That is also provided freely on YouTube channel. Okay, different different interview questions. So generally, you know, when you go for interview, tell me about yourself is a common question, right? And if you are a fresher, then what is regulatory affairs, right? Why you like this area? Why don't you like R&D or production or anything else? Because nowadays we have seen people are not ready to join any production because of shift duties, not ready to join in pharmacovigilance because of shift duties. Then who will work in R&D, production, pharmacovigilance, and all the technology transfer? Correct? So you should develop a liking and you should develop the knowledge about that subject. It's not that only regulatory will be, you know, in the powerful segment or something like that. But after spending, you know, sufficient year, 5 years, 10 years, you know, I personally worked 6 years in R&D, then 4 years in documentation. So initially 10.5 years I worked in R&D, analytical, then formulation, then documentation, then I moved to regulatory. Okay. So that is how I could, successfully manage everything because I was having experience of R&D, production, technology transfer, and everything. That is why I could be successful regulatory affair professional. Correct? Because for fresher it would be little bit challenging, little bit difficult to understand all rules, regulations initially. Okay, but they go for certification course, they understand, you know, about the subject to at least to initiate beginning, they can start their career as a RA. Okay, RA officer. So whatever opportunity comes to you, take it. Some people will be hired in labeling, some people will be hired in packaging, some people will be in medical devices or so on. Correct? So in yes, each certificate course self-learning from recording. Yeah, it is a self-paced program. So we provide user ID and password on our knowledge online portal. Okay. So we have our cloud-based portal LMS in which all the lectures relevant to topic are uploaded as per the course curriculum. So I would like to show you how the course curriculum looks like. Then you will come to know, actual what I mean to say. Hold on. No? This is the old catalog, but I would like to show you. So this is how the course looks like. Okay, this is the old catalog when we completed 10 years was prepared. So all these courses, if you see, so earlier the price was higher. Now we have reduced these fees, okay, from 35,000 is 25,000 for global RA. In global area, we have covered API, formulation, medical device, biosimilar, OTC, then product life cycle. We have regulatory affairs in formulation, regulatory affairs in API, this price is also reduced, 15,000, then 10,000, like that. So all these courses we have, and what are the mode? The self-paced online course, you can go through lectures, quizzes, and study at your own pace. And there will be doubt clearance session like this. We meet Sunday to Sunday for the doubt clearance session. Then there will be final exam. Okay. And then the support during entire 6 months will be provided till you get the certificate. Okay. So e-learning, once you get the access, it is available 24/7. Okay. And anytime at anywhere. So suppose if you apply for 3-month course, 3 months full-time access will be given to you 24/7. Okay. Then this is the GRA course for 6 months. So in GRA, that is global array, we have covered right from, what is regulatory affair, what is the profession, what is its importance. Then overview of drug development process, all clinical, non-clinical, all the stages we have covered. Then we have covered GMP, GLP, GCPs. We have covered US FDA. For generic medical device, OTC, biosimilar, right from IND, NDA, NDA, all submissions. Okay. Then medical devices, DMF, prior approval submission. Okay. Then SUPAC guidelines, CB 30, CMC changes, FDA inspection, warning letter, Europe, right? All South Asian countries, LATAM, GCC, all these country-specific guidelines. Then different dossier preparation in paper CTD, eCTD, ACTD, V's. Then details of each module, okay? Then ICH quality guidelines, okay? Then ICH GCP, 21 CFR, then practical hands-on. We have given the demo of how to compile the dossier practical CTD, ECTD by using software. So all these courses will give an idea, thorough idea about how to become a regulatory affair professional. So similarly, we have a formulation course, API course, CTD, ECTD is a separate course. Suppose people who are already into regulatory affairs but don't know only CTD, ECTD, which is used for Europe and US. So we have covered Europe and US, all the European procedure, okay? That is MRP, CP, DCP, and national procedure. How to handle Model 1 to Model 5. So everything is covered under US FDA and Europe. Then we have clinical research course. We have pharmaceutical documentation course. We have pharmacovigilance course. Okay. Then we have IPR, intellectual property rights, 6 months course. We have nutraceutical foods. There are many other courses also we have, that is medical device, scientific medical writer, how to become a medical writer. So you can go through all such courses, internal auditor, lead auditor. So that is how it looks. And further, if you have, any other question, we are there to help you out. I have given my mobile number. I have given my email also. Then our website also, you can go through it. Many things you will find there also, www.rajpharmaelearning.com. So you can browse through our website, under which download, you will get many guidances freely downloadable, YouTube channel, free videos. Okay. And apart from that, if you want to become a certified regulatory affair professional, come to us. We'll provide you guidance. Join our course. We are there to help you from start to end till certification. Okay. Not only that, after that, like my first batch passed out in 2010. Those people have become senior manager, GM in the industry. Those people are taking all my freshers. So job assistance is provided. Okay. और इससे ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हैं हम? Am I right? And I am also working in industry as a consultant auditor. So we have huge network. Already 42,000 candidates are passed out and all are into job. So with this, they are helping each other, of course, and we have to help each other. Tomorrow, you become a regulatory affair professional, you can help our juniors. So this chain goes on, right? This networking goes on. Sky is the limit you follow, right? Thank you. So I'm in ADL. Nothing wrong if you are into analytical development. I was also once upon a time in analytical. Once you have analytical ability, you can go through global RA course, try to understand all the aspects of regulatory affairs, right? And certify yourself, start applying, give interviews. One or two interview you will fail. Sometimes 10 interviews you will fail, but that interview also gives some knowledge. What were the question asked? How I was answered. Suppose if any difficult question which you were not able to answer, come to me. I will give the answer how you would have answered. You know, so like that continuous guidance we provide.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Actually, I'm at a higher level and I'm now struggling to become established in medical device regulatory. After
Okay.
a 2 years internship and a 1 year job in a medical device industry. So there are some people who are asking about my background is in 12 years in biopharma in Kerala and Wokad. Prior to after which I lost my job and then in COVID I shifted to regulatory and I started liking medical devices. So
Okay.
now I'm trying to learn US FDA. Of course, I learned from University of South California internship, but now I'm learning about EU MDR and this Indian medical device
Yeah.
regulation.
Okay.
So people are asking about Sugam portal knowledge in
Right.
their job description. So what is the course like and
We have a separate course, short course about Indian MDR also, in which Sugam portal, BIS, ISI, getting ISI mark, all Indian relevant regulation plus demo, how you can apply through Sugam portal, you know, right from login till the submission, we have recorded all the session. So we have
okay.
those courses also, Indian MDR 2017. Also, if you want to go for QA course, in which we have covered India, US, and Europe, you know,
Hmm.
so under US 510K, under Europe CE marking, then ISO 13485, also the risk management as per ISO 14971. We have very good course which charge hardly 15,000 and it is for 3 months. So it gives a fair idea about if you are into medical devices, try to learn ISO 13485, ISO 14971,
Yeah, I actually
plus
I have the
India, US, and Europe.
yeah, I already have the certification for 13485 and 14971. But
Great.
for Indian MDR, I don't have much knowledge.
So you go
So,
through small course of 3,500 ka hai, 3,500. You go
okay.
through that short course, okay? Only Indian MDR and Sugam portal submission, okay?
Yeah, in last
Beta.
July or August, I missed talking to you at Gandhinagar medical device in Indian medical device meet. I saw you there, but I could not meet you in person.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So I will want to be in touch because I am also a seasoned biopharma professional in
Great,
vaccines, biosimilars, and diagnostics
great,
from
great.
Cadila Pharma and Wokad. So I would like to be in touch with you for any
Sure,
other opportunities you might
sure,
be
sure.
having. I have noted down your details, contact
Yeah,
details. Thank you.
thank you. So any other question? Swapnil, what so it helps to us for choosing? Confirm the duration of the course, practice session, and whether troubleshooting is also. What is troubleshooting? I didn't get your question. Can you unmute and speak? Speak ना अभी तो मैं आपके सामने हूँ ना. Why are you writing? You just speak. We have demo of eCTD. Okay, how to compile, hyperlink, bookmark, study tagging file till validation of that eCTD. Okay, so we have covered everything which is required to learn about eCTD. Okay, when you talk about troubleshooting comes when you are actually practicing. Okay, when you are actually practicing, there are vendor. Okay, the vendors who provide the AMC. Okay, and which helps in troubleshooting. So being a regulatory specialist, you don't have to go through troubleshooting. Only thing, the broken hyperlink, broken bookmark, how to repair, how to replace the again that document that is shown, that is covered under our demo lecture of eCTD. Understood? Swapnil and what? Mujahid Khan?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Tejaswini?
I am BPharm graduate. I want to build my career in RA. which is better for me after doing master. After doing master and then doing the certification, it is better for my career, or direct do certification and join the company and working in RA. It is better. I quite confused about that.
No, don't get confused. It depends on your career aspiration. See, higher degree always helpful in case of promotion, and maybe later on, if you want to shine in some department, that as I'm senior plus I'm highly qualified. But many B Farm also goes for certification, do the job if they don't have money for further study. It depend on your financial condition at your home, your time. Again, if your parents are ready to put 2 more years plus investment, M-Farm is an investment of time and money. So if it is affordable, you go for M-Farm, simultaneously go for certification, because this is online study. Anyway, you can manage both. Okay, so many people do M-Farm also plus the certification. So time is saved, because this is 6 month or 3 month course. You have certificate also in hand, plus you are doing M-Farm. In M-Farm also, our courses content are rich. You will understand, easy to understand, while doing M-Farm, M-Tech. So I'm also guest speaker for ICT, NMIMS, then BCP, then KLE, GJSS. So many university they call me as a guest speaker. Now I am becoming older, so now not taking much load of guest speakers. Um, but I love to otherwise guide students, take the lectures. So
Ma'am,
yeah.
which certification is better for us, ma'am? That means B Farm graduate, ma'am. Now you are showing several certification course, na?
We have
So,
different, no? Certificate in RA है, QA है, clinical research है.
for regulatory affairs, ma'am, कौन सा better रहेगा?
See, if you are into industry already, go for GRA, Global RA, which
No,
gives a
ma'am.
thorough.
I'm fresher, na.
You are fresher, then go for RA formulation, and many fresher also goes for. See, global RA में क्या होता है पता है? Opportunities widen होता है. Suppose if there is a vacancy coming out of medical device, and you have done my GRA course in which medical device is also captured, then biosimilar biotech. कल मैडम के पास वैकेंसी होगी, अनीता मैडम के पास, she can hire you, to assist her. So having knowledge, understanding subject, having knowledge plus certificate, that has added advantage to your profile.
ओके मैम, अभी तुमने जो शो किया था ना, वो सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स का नाम और उसका फीस, वो पीपीटी का स्लाइड हमें भेज सकते हो मैम?
हाँ, I will, what you do, you have my mobile number, right?
Yeah,
So I will
I
give
am.
you, just say hello, I am so and so, Swapnil and those. Please
Okay.
send me this. So I will share the entire curriculum of Global
Okay,
RA.
okay.
Okay? And link also. Everything
Okay,
I will share.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So those who are interested in going through our certificate courses or any short courses, please be in touch with me. My number I have already mentioned in the chat box. I have given my email ID also. If you are not able to talk, you can just send the message on WhatsApp. Okay, you can write down an email. We will reply. Don't
Hi,
worry.
ma'am.
Yeah, Karan.
Myself Karan. I'm a PharmD graduate. I would like to know whether PharmDs are eligible for the RA job role.
Yeah, PharmD are more suitable in clinical research, basically, because the profile, the curriculum itself developed like that, and many hospitals hire them, many hospitals, investigators, CROs. But if you are, you wanted to make the career in RA, then nothing like that. You can very well absorbed in RA field, because you have already thorough knowledge about subject, everything like anatomy, physiology से लेके scientific knowledge and everything, practical knowledge you have till you get that PharmD degree, right?
Okay, but it's difficult for a PharmD to pursue. Like many of the industry they prefer B Farm and M Farm candidates.
Because why, there is one constraint when, see, I'm an employer, I will find B Farm and M Farm where I can give little salary and get more work. PharmD होता है तो थोड़े दो वो आते हैं ना, you know. So PharmD, PhD बोला तो like दोन शिंग येतात
Oh,
मराठीत म्हणतो. So
doctor, doctor.
that is that comes to their mind, you know, because क्या होता है ना, आई एम रियली टेलिंग यू द फैक्ट, यू नो,
Yeah,
PhD
yeah,
यानी सबको लगता है कि मैं क्या एकदम चांद तारे तोड़ के आ गया हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ, you know, and they expect like that.
yeah.
Salary high, first salary should be 1 lakh, 2 lakh, like that. So during interview, you should say salary doesn't matter. I want to learn and I want to pursue the career in a hurry. Okay. So
Okay.
वो एक कंस्टेंट है जो फैक्ट में बता रही हूँ,
Yeah.
जो कोई नहीं बताएगा आपको. So you should show your interest and go ahead.
Yeah, man.
और बाद में तो आपको दूसरा तीसरा जॉब जब चेंज करोगे, you demand then.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. You're from which college? Done PharmD?
I'm finished my PharmD on Crescent College of Pharmaceutical Science, Kerala.
Kerala. Okay.
Yeah.
So was this lecture helpful to all guys? All
Definitely, ma'am.
present over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Was
Yes,
it
ma'am.
helpful? So if I send you the Google form for the feedback, would you be giving feedback? Genuine
Okay,
feedback?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. I love you all.
Madam, one doubt, ma'am. Actually, you
Yes.
told that you are offering the medical device regulations for CDSO in India. So my doubt is regarding pharmaceuticals, like pharmaceutical manufacturing in India, like dealing with SOCOM applications, CDSO applications. Is there any course you are offering for pharmaceutical? I'm telling, like
For
pharmaceutical, like drugs and
pharmaceutical, we have already included CDSO, like Drugs and Cosmetic Act, manufacturing license, taste license, and all those stuff under Indian regulations. But not the separate course, short course you are talking about. We have not made short course out of it for pharma. We have covered under this global RA when it comes to India, okay? Indian CDSO, how it works, like that. We have covered the globe, na?
Yeah.
US FDA, Europe, Canada, like that, India, GCC, CIS countries, LATAM, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And madam, regarding this short courses, like 1 week courses are there. So in that 1 week courses, lectures will be there or only like PDFs?
No,
What we have to
lectures.
learn?
Lectures
Lectures will be
and PPT, both are there, okay? PPT
Okay.
are downloadable. Lectures you can hear you 24/7 and up to the duration of that course. Suppose if it is a 1 week course, 1 week 24/7, you can listen 10 times, 20 times, okay? But
Okay.
the access will be given up to 1 week. If it is a 6-month course, access will be given full time for 6 months. Okay, because the
we can
content
download.
is so much, recordings are so many, practice questions are so many, you know, so that you learn nicely,
Yeah.
become a thorough professional.
Correct, ma'am.
That is why
Can-
this GRA course is for 6 months. Yeah.
Madam, can we download the lectures, ma'am? Can we download the lectures?
No, YouTube video free lectures only, those are downloadable. But when you talk about certification courses, no. सब कुछ
Okay.
free देगी तो then there is no charm, no, in the, I mean, there is no
Correct.
importance then.
Yes, yes.
There is no
Correct.
importance. Yeah,
Correct.
time, money is very important for everyone in life. Believe.
Correct.
You also, when you go in the market, you cannot get any free, na? Anything free.
Correct.
Yeah.
But we can download the PDFs what we are giving in the course. We can
PPT,
download the PDF.
guidances, many guidances I have uploaded apart from PPT also. Okay, many
Yeah.
guidances, articles, those would be helpful lifetime. At the same
Yeah.
time, we add you in the alumni group, WhatsApp group, wherein you get all the postings. Say, for example, ICHQ 14 has published, but during lecture it was not published. Then we separately provide you that guidance. So this is the updated guidelines. You go through it. And all the jobs available in the market, we keep posting in the group. You might have seen till now those who are already into our group, right?
Yes. And
All the
regarding, yeah, you told about GRA course. GRA course, in the GRA course, all the country specific regulations already captured, like US FDA, MHR, like Europe, everything. But
Yes.
whereas for the short courses like actually I saw this course for ESFDA separate course is there, for 1 week course is there, for EU 1 course is there, ROW 1 week course is there. So what are the concept you are giving in the GRA course? The same concept will include here for ESFDA. Suppose
Yeah, because GRA is a total 6 months course. So those who are senior already aware of many things, those need not to go for GRA, right? So those like Anita ma'am said, no, I have learned ISO 13485, I have learned ISO 14971, I am already certified lead auditor. She only knows, want to know about only Sugam, right? So we have extracted, few modules as a separate modules based on the requirement of people like you, right? And those we are selling at the less rate, and those are available for 1 week. Okay. So same US FDA, suppose if you want to learn about US FDA, IND, NDA, that will be covered under that lecture. So 1 week. And that PPT, same PPT, you can download and keep it for your reference.
But for ROW, like ROW markets, already the short course. In that short course, are you involving this checklist, ma'am, for registration application? Suppose if you want to register the product in any country, like MENA countries are there, like that, any checklist also you are
in that lecture we have covered. Okay. When you listen to the lecture, like say for example, LATAM, you are going to LATAM. So in LATAM, which our country falls, which country specific requirement, what all documents required, in the lecture we have covered.
Okay, lecture. Okay, from the lecture we have to. Okay, extract. Okay.
So same PPT also is available. Like today also, I have given the lecture also and the PPT also shown, right?
Yes.
That is how it is.
Okay, at the end of the course, we will get the certificate in online. Online itself, we will get through mail, right?
The short courses, certificate of attendance you will get, and for long courses, that successfully passing that exam, no, there it will be exam, 100 marks final exam. Okay. When you go through certification course like GRA, quality assurance, internal auditor, or whatever, pharmacovigilance, medical writer. So those are 3 months, 6 month courses. There you get proper certificate for passing, successfully passing. It's awarded. Whereas when you go for small courses, certificate of attendance. Okay.
Attendance.
For 1 week courses. Yeah.
Okay. That attendance certificate of attendance also will be useful, ma'am, for interview.
Yeah, of course, because it is knowledge, no? When you attend any workshop for 2 days, 3 days, you get the certificate. That is valid, right? You write in your profile.
Yes. Correct. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah, Vijay.
Yeah, actually, for the eCTD and other softwares on which you are providing the training, so these are the paid softwares, or anybody can take the trial on the.
No. We don't provide the training on eCTD software. We have already submitted many dossiers by using a 21 CFR Part 11 compliant software, right? So the demo of how the dossier is compiled by using the software, right from login till the validation, the demo is included in our LMS training program.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just for knowledge, is there any software available on which we can try?
No, those are paid, no? All the subscriptions are paid. There are many Pharma Ready, Deus, then what? Extredo. No, there are many companies, vendors who sell this software, no, eCTD. You have to buy the license, no?
Okay.
It's a huge cost. 25 lakhs we had paid for our software. And we had taken in 2-3 partners, So 5 people license like that.
Okay.
So
demonstration will be there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So whenever you are working in some other organization, say for example, Cipla will be having some other Ideus software, Glenmark will have some other, Extredo, or there are many vendors who sells this software, See to that you work on 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. So ours was also that.
Nice, ma'am. You are covering a lot of things with related to the regulatory, and really I appreciate your efforts.
Thank you. So now many
Because
people.
it must be in the curriculum actually in the M form or B form, but they are not providing such type of things what you are providing from outside.
I love to, groom the next generation because they will be tomorrow's leader, right? I have spent now 35 years. Another 5, 6 years I will be working. But by that time, my student, whom I have
Yeah.
trained, groomed, certified, will be leader. So
Right.
that gives
But
me some.
academics point of view, ma'am, it is somewhat, I think, the pharma academics is being somewhat lose their integrity these days.
Is it? I I really don't know. I'm like I've
Because
stopped going
as
to
you
these
are in
lectures.
industry, so you know that many non-attending pharmas are there. So because these things are happening,
You are from which university, sir?
I am from Indore actually.
Indore.
Yeah.
You are into
Hi,
academy?
ma'am.
Yeah.
No, I'm in industry.
Yes. Who said hi, ma'am? One plus.
Yeah, hi, ma'am. I'm sorry. Sorry, ma'am. I'm Sarita.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have 6 years of experience in QA, quality assurance in a pharma company. Now I would like to shift to RA, but I'm not in a position to decide on which course need to be taken.
GRA.
So can you tell me this
Global RA.
regarding?
GRA.
Oh,
GRA.
global average. Okay.
Those who are experienced cannot think about any other course. GRA is the only option.
So that we can go in any of the stream of GRA.
API,
and it's a
yes.
regular
API, formulation, medical years, anywhere you can accommodate, given an opportunity, of
Okay.
course. You have to prove yourself. See, any organization, why they will hire you? You have to fit for the purpose, right? Fit
Yes.
for the purpose. See to that how I'm going to value add, right? Value addition is the
Yes.
best word. How I'm going to value add to the organization where they are hiring me, they are paying me, correct? Where I have to
Okay.
invest 9 hours of my waking hours, right? Out of 24,
Yes.
everyone has got 24 hours, right? So out
Yes.
of that 24 hours, you go for sleep for 7 to 8 hours, right? And remaining balance hours, 9 to 10 hours for your remaining hours you can spend for yourself. So I always tell to everyone in my life that everyone has got the same time, but how you utilize that time, it is up to you. So be self-motivated, be organized. Unorganized people, undisciplined people will never be successful. So always
The
respect
thing
time.
is,
Time will
I
respect.
have a career gap of 2 years, so
No issue, no issue. I have people having 10, 12 years gap.
okay.
Still those ladies stood, in the industry. But that time, you never think about your salary and designation.
Okay.
When the gap is much, you never go for, salary and designation negotiation. Just accept whatever comes to your plate, right? And
Okay.
then you
Little
prove
compromise.
yourself and go ahead. Sky is the
Sure,
limit.
sure.
I have
Thank you
trained
so much.
so many, like more than 250 second career women.
Yeah, that's all.
Now, you can
Thank you,
connect
ma'am.
me on LinkedIn also, all guys. You will get
Okay.
many things on LinkedIn also. We keep posting, we're writing blogs, many information also you will get. When there will be a next free webinar or seminars or workshops, like we keep posting. Any other question? Madhuri, JT, Rutuj, I think, Pranali, Prishank, नया नाम देखा. मुजाहिद ने पूछा, I think, संदेश, कल्पना, Isha. Come on, if you don't have question, then we have to close the session, go for lunch. What do you say? Hello? Rupesh? Rupesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You
So
can
I'm
conclude.
thankful. Yeah, I'm thankful to Rupesh because Rupesh was behind me, conducting this such kind of webinar for all students and all those who are, wanted to make career in RA. I'm thankful to Rupesh, and he was, behind all these days, at least a month. Then I could find the time, make the presentation, and then, today you could hear me only because of Rupesh. So thank you, Rupesh. Rupesh, if
Yeah,
you have
ma'am.
any queries,
Yeah.
tell me.
Ma'am, I have one more request.
Yeah.
See, this kind of training will be helpful also with the help of a practical project in pharma or in med device regulatory.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
anyway, we can, I mean, people can take internship,
Right. So
actual industry project.
generally we used to give internship for 6 months for the freshers, B.Pharm, MSc, MTech. But in internship we don't pay. We used to pay 6,500 for 6 months because traveling charges, food, only that much we could afford. And but they used to get at least understanding how the dossier look like, how to compile, and what the compliance to be maintained when it comes to product life cycle management, what kind of role, what kind of documents they have to handle. So such kind of things at least they are aware of, familiar. We make them familiar about right from SOP till the dossier submission. So such kind of interns we used to take earlier, five to six and all. But later on, what happens with my knowledge and experience, the intern also they were not stable and focused, for 3 months, 6 months, because they want immediately high salary, job, good profile, and all those stuff. Almost 10 years I used to take interns from the colleges. After COVID, I have stopped because I have seen they are very impatient. They are just behind money, behind watch, coming and going, right? They want only Monday to Friday job, Saturday, Sunday holidays. So all such things. See, I am also an employer. I will see that my employee will be very sincere, hardworking, and which I have followed it during my career. At least not similar way. You don't have that much stability. We stayed, 10, 15 years in one company. So nowadays, people are highly unstable. They don't respect time. They don't respect elders. They don't respect anything. That what is my observation. I might be wrong, but I have stopped after COVID taking interns. Okay, but I connect to industry people. Those who really want to take interns, we connect them. We recommend them, and they have to show their own performance. They have to do the value addition to the company. When there is first, second, third job, don't look at salary and position, my dear friend. Don't look at, never ever. Because during those 3 days are very crucial. You want to learn and learn. And then you start demanding after 3 to 4 years when you have good hands-on experience. Then you negotiate. Okay? And this is my advice, of course. It is up to you how to think and how to grab the opportunities. And nowadays, salary, they generally give freshers could be 10, 15, 20,000. They get, I think, in farm we give 18,000, for B farm 15,000. If it is a job, or salary. So of course, where during probation they have to show their performance rather than looking at the payment and timing. Okay, and they should be able to stretch themselves. It's not कभी कभी क्या होता है USFD का submission night में होता है, time doesn't matches UK major, so you have to wait till evening, right? Late night. If the boss is waiting, then why not you? So those are the real experience, and people don't bother such things. When you are into regulatory affairs, you have to have a good responsibility, and take the responsibility, accountability. Then you get that authority, authorization. Because boss, everyone is under observation. You are observed every day, right? For your performance. That is why time is very crucial. You have to be disciplined for time management, and that is only focused, And once you start giving value addition, your knowledge, share your knowledge and ideas, perform well, the boss will be very happy. Boss is always right. Boss will be very happy. He will take you ahead along with him. So the leadership quality also matters. People management skills also matters. Your projection, how you project, how you behave, how you are punctual, sincere. Everything is observed at the end of the day. You will see that nobody is observed. क्या जाता है, कभी भी आऊँ, कभी भी जाऊँ. In TCS is to happen, because 3,000 people is to go. एक का स्वाइप कार्ड दूसरा लेता था, दूसरा हाजिरी लगा के भाग जाते थे. But once upon a time, caught, because everywhere there were a camera. कैमरा से तो कोई छुप नहीं सकते. You are under surveillance all the time, right? So don't get demotivated. I'm telling you the fact, okay? Sky is the limit. If you are good, everyone is good, right? If you are sincere, the world will be sincere to you. You are honest, integrity, everything you are following, world is following. Yeah. So with this, thank you very much. And if you have further question, you have my number. You can chat with me. You can talk to me personally. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, please share your number in the chat box and contact details.
Yeah, I have shared actually. Again, I will share.
Yeah.
You can write down 98191.
Ma'am, please, can you please write in the chat box? I will take from there.
Oh, I have written so many times, but again I will write 98191252008. Okay. Can you see?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you all. Rupesh, thank you. Bye. Ready to move in?
Yeah. Thank you. That was a great session, ma'am.
Bye. Bye all. Enjoy your Sunday. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.